to the crafting and a thrifting vlog and the whole try on.
Starting strong today with an outfit that I put together because of the scarf. I found this scarf for 5 ringgit, so under £1. Beautiful cotton. I actually think you probably call it a shawl, because you could definitely wear this as a shawl. And it's a very unusual colourway of pink and teal. So I put it together with pink and teal. Now this is some jewellery that I made. I wanted to give it sort of like a Art Deco feel, not Art Deco, Art Nouveau feel. But I haven't quite got it right yet because it tends to flip. So I need to wear it a little bit and work out what it is that I could do to make it sit properly. I just can't quite work it out yet, but I do like it very much, and I like the colourways, and the colourways work with this perfectly. So this came from Thailand on the last visit, not the one I've just had, but the one before, from Chiang Mai, and it came from Tiger, and I think it was about 6 ringgit, so just about £1. It's a big, long tunic with pockets, little cap sleeves, just a gorgeous shade of teal though, but it literally is sort of knee length on me, and so with that I needed a skirt underneath. Now I could have gone just all in the teal, but I thought with this scarf, why not have a pop of pink? So I put a pink skirt underneath it. This is the 18 pence teal linen duster that I found in BH Mart on my big haul that I showed you. Buttons down all the way, cute little elasticated pie crust frill round the sleeves, gorgeous shade of teal again, just one shade darker than the dress, so works beautifully with this dark teal in the scarf. I really love teal. It was such a rich, mouth-watering colour, and with this shocking pink and my hair, I think this works really well for me. It's one of those things, things just come together, and this has just come together beautifully. And I love it with this jewellery. I think it's all fun, a little bit different, but very much my style. I think the sort of long over tunic, the long skirt underneath, the long jacket, the pop of bright colour from the scarf. So happy with this. £1.18, £2, £3, about £3 in all. Or excluding making the jewellery, which probably cost a couple of pennies as well, maybe £3.20. So there we go. This is another ring I've made myself. This is slumped glass. I used dipped glass and then melted a marble over the top of it, so it's got a little swish of green in it. I think it works very nicely, and this is one I bought in Venice so many years ago. I think it'd probably be about 20 years ago. And I still love it. So that's my jewellery with this. The tassels all came together, so they're repurposed broken jewellery. What's not to love? Outfit number 1, done and dusted. Outfit number 2, very, very romantic. Gives me an opportunity to wear my lilac bug jewellery that I made, my beautiful lilac bug earrings. So this dress I just found in Jalan Jalan Japan. It's like a net of lace over just a plain lining in a sort of lavendery lilac. slightly more blue, that's why I say lavendery. I've put it over a skirt that I thrifted a long time ago, a couple of years back. But both Jalan Jalan Japan. The skirt cost 10 ringgit, and the dress cost 10 ringgit. So 20 ringgit there. This jacket was also a Jalan Jalan Japan find, probably again a couple of years ago. I get a lot of use out of this jacket. I find it very comfortable. It's cotton, it's like a waffle weave, it's got pockets. It's one of those things that you have in your wardrobe that you just grab because it works and it's easy and it's comfortable, and it fits nicely. What's not to like? So when I found this little dress, I thought, oh, I've got a skirt and a jacket that would go with that perfectly. So I was very, very happy. Obviously the fan is making it stick out more than it really needs to. But yes, I'm quite pleased with this. This is actually quite a nice. It's just got little adjustable spaghetti straps that you can slide up and down to make them fit. It's a little bit elasticated round the neckline, so it sort of gives it a little bit of ruching, I suppose. I suppose it's to make it fit, but of course on me it's at its max, I suppose. So yes, it's nice, and I like the fact that the stripes go down. The stripes going across wouldn't have appealed to me nearly as much, because obviously this lengthens you. I've put it with a ring that I found at the Ombak Festival last year, which I bought from the maker, and I think is absolutely lovely. So yes, it's an outfit. It's put together. It's very pale and charming. One could wear something a bit bolder in a scarf with this to like pop it up. But do you know what? I actually quite like that soft tones to it. I probably have got scarves that are in pink and lavender that would work with this, but then it might cover up my beautiful jewellery, and I'd rather you see my beautiful jewellery today. So we had a big scarf with number 1, so I think we can live without one on number 2. Number 2, done and dusted. I'm very pleased with it. On to number 3. A little bit of denim. So, our 18 pence haul again. 99 sen. BH Mart. Lovely cotton printed panel down the front. The sides are like a denim blue and the back's the same. I put it with my waffle skirt that I got in Thailand, in Bangkok, this trip. Absolutely, again, it's like that lilac jacket in the last lot. Just one of those things that just works with everything. It's very comfortable. It holds its shape. It's perfect. I'm wearing it so much. This is an old denim shirt that I've had forever. It's all faded at the back, but somehow that gives it more charm. I just added a little blue bug brooch onto it. I'm wearing one of my slumped glass rings. I just slumped some of the iridescent blue over a marble. I think it's really cute. And at last you get to see my little scorpion, in my little keychain scorpion that I made into a necklace, little crystal necklace. I'm not sure that it shows up to the best advantage on this. But of course, it's being clear and see-through. It's probably not, it's difficult to know what to put it on. But I think it's very cute. I like it. I put quite a heavy crystal at the end to hold it nicely, because obviously the little scorpion is only in resin, and he's so tiny and wee, bless him. And then I've just put my crystal bug earrings with the dangles of crystal on them, just to pick it up, because I didn't make a specific pair of earrings to go with it, or I haven't yet anyway. So this is the outfit. relaxed. This is about as relaxed as I get, about as sort of dressed down as I go. Lovely little soft denim, perfect for going out doing the groceries in. Easy run around outfit, nice and lightweight and cool. What's not to like? I'm very pleased with this. Very, very happy with my little scorpion. I think for like a keychain that costs pennies, he's like a very interesting conversation piece to have in your jewellery. I do love these crystal bugs that I made, and obviously I have a matching necklace to go with them. This was a birthday present from my daughter. I think he's very glamorous and I love him, and I'm very pleased with my glass slumping jewellery. I'm having fun with it. I've made quite a few more bits. I'll show you later. Anyway, on to our final outfit. Okay, final outfit. I was so chuffed when I found this Liberty skirt in Jalan Jalan Japan for 5 ringgit. 10 ringgit, which is under £2. This design is called Lanthy, and it was brought out in 1902. This has got the proper Liberty's label in it, and I will take a photograph and show you. It's a design, it's just literally screams Art Nouveau, and it's one I've always loved, and it's a nice colourway too. So I was delighted, and I was even more delighted because it was quite short, and I thought, ooh. And then I had a look, and it had a huge turnover, and then when I opened that turnover up, there was another turnover underneath, so I was able to let this down to ankle length quite easily, and I'm happy. So, what did I put it with? I put it with this little, very fine cotton, almost lawn, navy blue shirt. I did try it with the sort of pale aqua colour as well that's in the skirt, but I showed my daughter both and she picked this one. Now, the sad thing about this is you don't actually get to see the pretty part of it when you're just wearing it with a jacket, because the whole of the back of this shirt is broderie anglaise like this. And it's really, really cute. But it's at the back, and it's also got these little cute cap sleeves in the broderie anglaise. But for this, it needs a jacket. It needs to be smart. So I've put the navy blue linen, very fine linen jacket over it. Nice pockets on it. Straight, not flowy, but I think it works with this cut of dead straight skirt. Now this has given me the opportunity to wear these totally outrageous bug jewellery that I made a while back. I made it and then I just had very few things that actually went with, because it's so colourful and so bright. Although having said that, most of the colours in the stones are actually quite muted tones. It's just, it gives that over-the-top vibe. So yes, my huge bug, multicoloured gems, spikes. I mean, it's just wild, but some days you just feel you could. And I think it goes with this skirt really, really well. So, final outfit, coming out strong and wild. One always feels very smart in navy blue. You can do anything in navy blue. It's a good sort of office colour. It's a good meeting sort of colour. You've got to go to the hospital and beat up any doctors. It's a good colour. In general, this outfit could take you anywhere. You could go out for the evening in this. You could go out to an office. You could go out to a gallery opening. You could do anything. I really like it. It's all really soft cottons, all breathable, all natural. What's not to like? And nothing was expensive. So 18 pence for the top. Oh no, this wasn't 18 pence. No, this was Jalan Jalan. So this was in the sale rack in Jalan Jalan. So this was actually 3 ringgit. So this is more like, nearly 60 pence, I think. Skirt, 10 ringgit, just under £2. Jacket, 10 ringgit, £2. Whole outfit, which looks expensive, isn't. Obviously the necklace, I think I paid 15 ringgit for the necklace, and then added the bug myself. Made the earrings from scratch, bits of waste stuff that was left over. My mother's cocktail ring. There's your outfit. So, did the girl done good? She did done good. My little heart pitter-pattered when I saw that Liberty label. I saw the fabric first and thought, oh, I love that fabric. And then I saw the label and it was like, oh, I was so pleased. Of course, I've been sharing it on my Crafty Nana page. When I found it, I was just like so excited. I had to show everybody. And I've even put a picture of it with this necklace because I thought, now I've got an opportunity to wear this necklace. So there we go. Today's choices, bold, colourful, different. The denim shirt in comparison with this is about my sort of very dressed down way, and then this is my more dressed up way, but it's not like full on bling evening wear. You could wear this for evening, but it's doable. It's doable. I hope you've enjoyed these. I've enjoyed sharing them with you. Join my Crafty Nana page if you want to see updates on a very regular basis and get to chat back and share photos. I will be back on Wednesday with whatever's going on, updates from my desk or travel, who knows. And always here on a Friday, bringing you through the weekend with some cool outfits. So for now, please take care of yourself. A lot of people now are heading into the autumn and winter. I never get an autumn and winter, but we've had a lot of dark skies and big rainstorms. Enjoy your life. Make the most of it. You only get one. Well, you probably only get one. Bye for now from the Crafty Nana.
If you enjoyed this, please like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend. Bye for now.